I know fair play a part, and every nigga's acting. That's what most of you niggas acting like. They gotta acting like and rapping like I grab the mic and meet the afterlife. I got my shit together like a bag of ice. I do this all myself. I got my bragging rights. Got your whole team looking half as nice. I just got the appetite. Tried to take a grasp at life. Stay away from bad advice. Don't be these niggas sacrifice. Been in so much beef. I got an after bite.
What it do? This your boy SIJ. This Silences got entertainment, news, media, comedy, music, knowledge, the whole nine. No, basically, you already know I'm a DUI type of guy. I like to drive under the influence. No, I'm a DIY, do-it-yourself type of guy. You feel me? I like to make my own videos, make my own music. SoundCloud link in the description. Not even trying to promote, but I'm just saying though, like, I like to do stuff myself. I don't like to put my success in somebody else's hands. These days, people are lazy. They put on a lazy beat, or what I thought was a lazy beat, but anyway, they put on a beat and they just mumble over a track. Some people good at it, some people bad at it, or whatever. But all I know is like the game is changing, and now I'm trying to make sure that I know how to make the beat. I like to start from the bottom. Once you learn everything from the bottom, from the ground up, you know how to promote yourself, brand yourself, like promote your own brand. You know how to build yourself up. You know how to do everything yourself. So you don't gotta hire nobody else to do it. Or when you hire somebody else to do it, you know what they need to do. You know what I'm saying? And you know exactly what you want. You feel me? And what you need them to do because you did it yourself, or you just understand the game. Right now, I done bought the one down from the producer version of FL Studios. You feel me? I grabbed my little DJ Silence. You feel me? But no, and I be sitting up here trying to do what I'm supposed to do. Now, all I know is this right here. This is a whole nother lane. This is complicated, my man. Like, and the thing is, nobody really care about beat makers like that. And I got a whole new respect for beat makers now, yo. Like, people be sitting up there, like, nobody sitting up there like, yo, Len, you produce? Oh, let me hear you. Let me hear a little something. You like, okay. Nobody do that. No, they be like, yo, you spit? Yeah, let me hear something. Little niggas, that's how it is these days. You feel me? Nobody care about the producer. Nobody sitting up there worried about the beat maker. And now I realize that people put it's more time into the beat than some lyrics any day. Like making a beat, you really do gotta give respect to the beat maker. I thought that making them little trap beats was easy. Nah, it definitely ain't. It ain't just no boom, boom, bang. It really is complicated. They really do be putting in work. And I'm sitting up here doing it myself, and I realize, yo, this is not a game, yo. It's not a game. So if you like me and you like to produce stuff yourself and you tired of using YouTube free beats, let me tell you what's going to happen. A year later, those free beats that you're using on YouTube, pretty much you're going to wind up getting a whole damn copyright restriction, and you're going to have to take the song down that you worked on, even if it's a banger, no matter how many views it got. If I buy your free beat that you used on YouTube, I could take every video down that used that beat on YouTube, or I could go to DistroKid. I could put that beat down legally on DistroKid and have everybody else take their stuff down and take every revenue from it being used on the internet and take that revenue and now it's mine because I copyrighted it, and then now it takes anybody who using that beat now, all the money goes to me. That's what I could do now if I buy a free YouTube beat that you use or anybody on the internet use. So I'm tired of using YouTube free beats because you wind up it wound up being like it's not a double-edged sword, but what you call it's like shooting yourself in the foot. It's like you put all this work into making a song, and even if it's a hit, like my last song, it was hot. It just started going a little bit viral. It definitely was growing, and next thing you know, boom, copyright restriction. The boy who bought the beat was hating, and he seen that it got more views than his video, and that he wound up buying the beat and to say it free, but some people be selling the beat. If you put a beat on YouTube and they say free, but then somebody offer you bread and you sell it, oh well, you know what I mean? It's like, shoot, it was free, now it's not, so it's like now you gotta take your song down off YouTube, or it still be up there just blocked worldwide. So now, you know what I mean, I'm doing my own thing, getting my little DJ Silence on, you feel me? And I'm just trying to build my brand. A lot of people, they like, yo, man, you don't upload like that. That's because I'm always working on something. I got script. Like, I actually write down stuff. You feel me? I write scripts. I be writing lyrics. I be making sure. And then I work. I do Lyft. and I'm a chef. You feel me? And I work, like I get it in. You dig what I'm saying right now? And I can't tell you where I work. I don't do all that on the internet. Nah, this is the internet. But pretty much, I get it in. You know what I mean? I'm always working. I'm always doing something. But I got a whole family. You know what I'm saying? So I do what it do. But yeah, man, if you like me and you just like trying to make your own music, do your own thing, this is definitely like it's a learning curve. Like you really gotta know what you're doing and you really gotta learn. Like I know how to play like a couple of songs on the piano now and all that, yo. Like you like it's this is interesting and you always learning something new every day. Like I gotta watch thousands of videos. I don't go to school for this stuff, so I'll be watching video after video after video, just trying to get it down packed. And actually, so when I start doing my own thing, I get all the residuals. You feel me? So yeah, man. Anyway, this your boy SIJ, Silence is God, entertainment, news, media, comedy, music, and knowledge. And I'm about to play some of this hot garbage real quick. Let me show you what I've been working on. This joint right here, and this is trash. This stuff be taking me like 3 days to make. It ain't even like it's that deep. Like listen to this is joint. I'm trying to sound a little poppy or whatever, but give it a listen. I know this is just trash. I ain't gonna last. I'm gonna put it in a stash. I'm gonna put it on the dash. I'm just getting cash. Yeah, this shit is trash. I'm in my bag. My bag. Me. I'm just doing what I gotta do, trying to pursue what I pursue. No, but seriously, anyway. That joint I'm trying to sell poppy or whatever. I don't know if it's working or not, but hopefully I'm trying to get a little better at it. What else we got on this joint? Let me see. This joint say working. No, I ain't gonna go. Let's hear a template. I don't want to work on this joint real quick. First of all, too damn loud. It ain't even that deep. It really ain't even that deep. You ain't even gotta do all that. Too damn loud. And then you went to the track anyway. Did all that for nothing. All right, what we got right here? No, that's trash. Okay, we got that. No, nice and slow. Nope, that's trash. All right, what we got? All right, we're gonna go to better. I only made like 3 or 4 daggone tracks, yo. It's a daggone shame because I had to do it for like a week and something, or it took a couple of weeks actually, and I'm still like learning, and it's still hard as hell. Like, okay, yeah, check. I'm sitting in the chair. It's just getting weird. I'm trying to start a new career. I'm trying to get prepared. You know, get scared. I'm trying to get it cleared. I'm trying to get it there with the bear, the care bear. No, I'm joking. I don't even know what the hell I'm saying. But anyway, yeah, man. Yeah, that's what I've been working on. Making beats, trying to actually get paid for my content, you feel me? Because I'm tired of using free YouTube beats, and that's about it. That's what you know what I mean. It's your boy SIJ. Definitely check out my music from the free YouTube beats I've been using before they take all of it down. At least it's still free on SoundCloud, but God knows how long. You feel me? So go definitely check out my songs. They hot, but they getting taken down. Like most of my tracks, I'm paid for one track, and that's free. You know what I mean? But I paid for the one beat, and that was from my homie Josh. You know what I mean? And that song is called Never Been So Free. I even made a YouTube video for it and took hours to make the video, the real music video, and took hours to make the song. You know what I mean? Weeks to make the song. You feel me? Because it was really dealing with the third eye open and stuff. I don't rap about normal stuff like all the time. That was dealing with really like the third eye open and my experience. I knew that my third eye was open. Body was still with no motion. I felt all this energy floating. Was using the air that I breathe as a potion. Joke, no joke, and they tell them it sound like the ocean. No, like that joint is lit. And it was talking about my experience with my third eye being open and what happened and how I felt and all that stuff. So that song really meant a lot, and it took a minute to make because I actually was going inside to actually come up with the lyrics and come up with what to say, and had the universe actually give me the lyrics to say, because I don't come up with this stuff. That's the universe who give me the stuff to say to y'all. So I like to make songs that's like different. I'm trying to make like an hour-long song. You know what I mean? Like people don't even know. Like I got a whole plan, but I got to get good at actually making beats. And the sound, like getting my own sound, developing my own sound and stuff like that. Like, yeah, man. So it's your boy SIG, man. I'm Audi like a belly button. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you know. And definitely know this is like you gotta buy sound packs because it don't come with the sound you need. If y'all got some hot sound packs, send me them in a link in the description or something because I need them. Like I need sound packs. I need all types of stuff. I'm really trying to like get better at producing my own music, and I'm tired. I'm good at recording and all that. That's easy. Writing lyrics, I got books and books and books of all lyrics anytime, any day. Like, but this right here, whole nother level. So yeah, if you about to start, if you on that level of I want to do everything myself too, and you like that, just know, I should have learned this first. You feel me? I should have learned this first because I wasted my time for years learning how to record and make my own beats and blah blah blah. I mean, and make my own like everything else with a song. But now this right here is actually like I probably go to school for this. I pay somebody to take. I actually am going to pay somebody to teach me this. I actually got the person and everything. That's the crazy part about it. I got a couple people willing to teach me how to learn, and that's how deep it is. You got to be willing to invest if you're trying to make something out of yourself. That's just the way it is. But anyway, I'm out here like a belly button. Peace. Hit the like button definitely if you appreciate the video. Subscribe to the channel if you know.
I know fear play a part in every nigga's actions. That's why most of niggas acting like they got it, acting like and rapping like I grab the mic and meet the afterlife. I got my shit together like a bag of ice. I do this all myself. I got my bragging rights. Got your whole team looking half as nice. I just got the appetite. Tried to take a grasp at life. Stay away from bad advice. Don't be these niggas sacrifice. Been in so much beef. I got an after bite.